Okay, we're going to start with handwriting, and we're doing the uppercase V. We start with a curve forward at the top line, slant down, undercurve to the top line again, and an overcurve. Okay, this letter does not attach to any other letter. So when you write next to it, when you write your word, the next word or the next letter needs to be near it so that, that's vowel, so that you don't have too much space. So when you're writing this, you want to make sure your curves are smooth and they don't point. Okay, we don't want pointy at the end, at the bottom, and we don't want straight down or straight across at the tops. Okay, and we also want to make sure that we don't just stop like that. Okay, we want to make sure we go undercurve and then an overcurve at the top. Okay, so make sure you trace each letter before you write it. You'll also be tracing the words Venezuela, Vernon, and the sentence Val's mother cooks soup. Make sure you add the period, and then circle your best V, not the best one you traced. Okay, so make sure you trace one and write one, and then you will also, sorry, don't have my paper here, you'll also be completing worksheet page 58. Okay, let's look at some spelling also. Spelling, you're doing page 138, which is you are proofreading a story. And on the bottom, it has a story about doing something with a grandmother, a boy or girl doing write a story about doing something with a grandmother. Do not write that. We're not going to do that yet today. So just proofread the story and then write the words correctly on the bottom on practice book page 138. I'll see you in a little bit for some reading.